Metalworking has been an important part of human civilization for thousands of years, and it continues to be a part of popular hobby and the professional today's. One of the most exciting aspects of metalworking is the wide variety of projects that can be created using different techniques and materials, from intricate sculpture to the sturdy piece of furniture. Marathon working projects offer endless opportunities for creativity and innovation. Good morning and welcome back. Here we are back again with another amazing video. In our today's video, we are going to show you how to overcome your metal waste material, and how to reduce your carbon footprints. One of the most important aspects of metalworking is welding. Welding is the process of joining two or more pieces of welding together using heat and pressure. There are many different types of welding techniques, each with its own advantage and the disadvantages. Some of the most common welding techniques include MIG welding, TIG welding, and stick welding or oxy-acetylene welding. MIG welding, the metal entry gas welding, is popular welding techniques that use in a wire electrode and create a strong and durable bond between two pieces of the metal. This technique is commonly used in automotive and industrial applications, as well as in home workshop. TIG welding, the tungsten inert gas welding, is a more precise and the intricate welding technique that is often used in aerospace and the medical industries. These techniques use a tungsten electrode to create an arc and melt the metal, which is then joined together using a filler rod. Stick welding is also known as a shield metal arc welding, is a versatile welding technique that can be used on a variety of material, including steel, aluminium, and cast iron. This technique is often used in construction, repair work, as well as in industrial application. Oxy-acetylene welding, also known as a gas welding, is a traditional welding technique that is used to combination of oxygen and the acetylene gas to create a flame that melts the metal. This technique is commonly used in jewelry making and other small-scale metalworking projects. Regardless of welding techniques used, the end result is always beautiful and functional piece of metalwork. Metalworking project can range from simple and functional to intricate or ornate. Some popular metalworking projects include furniture, sculpture, jewelry, and the decorative art pieces. One of the most exciting aspects of metalworking is the beauty that can be achieved through. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are searching for how to reuse your scrap metal in a better way, then you are at the right place. In our today's video, I am going to show you some scrap metal do-it-by-yourself project that will help you to upcycle your waste material in a better way. So thanks for being here, and do subscribe our YouTube channel for more video. Scrap metal do-it-by-yourself projects have gained popularity in recent years due to their affordability and the creativity. Using scrap metal, you can create a unique and the functional pieces of your home or a garden. Whether you are a seasoned do-it-by-yourself enthusiast or beginner, there are plenty of scrap metal do-it-by-yourself projects that can undertake. In this video, we will explore some of the best scrap metal do-it-by-use project and how to create them. A scrap metal art is a great way to express your creativity and create unique pieces of your home. Using scrap metal, you can create sculptures, wall art, and other decorative pieces. To get started, collect a variety of scrap metal pieces and then use your imagination to create your art. Welding equipment will be necessary for this project. To make sure you have the necessary safety equipment and the training before you begin. A metal garden rails made from scrap metal is a great way to add some structure to your garden, and you can use a variety of scrap metal pieces to create a trails that fit your garden style. Start by creating frame for your trails using scrap metal pieces, then add additional pieces of scrap metal to create a trails pattern. Once you have completed your trails, you can use it to support climbing plants and add some visual interest to your gardens. A fire pit made from scrap metal is a great addition to your backyard. You will need a large metal bowl or a bucket and some scrap metal pieces to create this project. Start by welding the scrap metal pieces together to create a base of your fire pit. Then place the metal bowl or a bucket on top of the base and add some wood or charcoals. Once your fire pit is lit, you will enjoy a cozy fire on a cool evening. A metal bookshelf made from a scrap metal is a great way to add some industrial style to your home. You will need some scrap metal pieces and some wooden shelves to create this project. Start by welding a scrap metal pieces together to create a frame for your bookshelf. Then attach a wooden shelf to the frame using screws. Once your bookshelf is complete, you can use it to display your favorite books and the decorative item. You can also make a beautiful metal planter. Metal planter made from scrap metal is a great way to add some greenery to your home. You will need a variety of scrap metal pieces and some soil to create a beautiful project. Start by welding the scrap metal project together to create a frame for your planter, then add some soil and your favorite plants. Once your planter is complete, you can enjoy the beauty of nature in your home. A metal birdhouse from scrap metal is a great way to attract birds to your backyard. You will need a few pieces of scrap metal and some tools to create this project. Start by welding the scrap metal piece together to create a birdhouse frame, then add some wood and other materials to create nesting area for the birds. Once your birdhouse is complete, you can enjoy the sight of bird nesting in your home.
Thanks for being here. Here is our today's video. I hope you have enjoyed our video. Your response regarding my channel is so phenomenal. Thank you so much for watching.